Hey folks, amazing updates here for you from the Bitopex team. So today is going to be a short but intense video. Let's jump right into it. Let's start with the prices and then we jump into the copy trading and the important news that we have. Looking at the prices of our currencies, we have right here Bitcoin at 118,819. We have Ethereum at 3875. Ethereum that is looking like it's gonna go back to $4,000 in the near future. We have the XRP at 323. We have BNB at 849. BNB has been doing fantastic. We have Solana at $191. Now, if we go right here to the copy trading, we can see that we kind of picked up from where we left off the past week, where we weren't doing very good on the copy trading, but now we are at 3.57% here for the month of July. We're better than March and we're almost the same as February. So even though we're going down like this little, staircase right here from April to now, the price itself of Bitcoin, the price itself of Ethereum is kind of making up for these not losses, but not as high returns as we were hoping for. So overall, I'm very happy with this. Now, another thing that I want to point out is that I never mentioned here, but we have a tab called Reward Center or bitopex.io/reward. And there you can claim like free money from Bitopex that you can even withdraw. So it's money that you can take out of your account, no questions asked. So you just need to go right here and scroll down and you can claim your prize. Now, let's jump to the important thing that we have to talk about today, which is the course. The Options Academy has finally launched. How do I get into the Academy, Everton? Well, right here, whatever page you are, you can be on the trading page, you can be on the copy trading, you can be in the options card. It doesn't matter. What you're going to do, you're going to look for this button right here, the education button. When you click the education button, it's going to bring you to the course. You can see right here, there's me talking. We're going to teach you from the basic. And here we have lesson number 1. This is a little spoiler for you, but here we have just module number 1. And spoilers, I am working on the next module, which is an advanced module for this course. Now, if you see right here, these are the lessons that we have right now, from the introduction all the way to deposit and withdraw from the topics. As I said in the course, this is from 0 to hero level. So we're going to get into more advanced strategies with the second module that we're working on right now. And now, because we already have the website, it is way faster to just add lessons to this. We're not building the website any longer. So hopefully you're able to jump right here and learn a little bit more. Now, I need your help to share this with other people that might need, because this is free. So you just need to register and you can access this for free. How do I register? Well, the first link in the description or the QR code you're seeing right now on the screen, this will take you to Bitopex. You register and then you can, for free, see this course, watch this course, whatever, and learn more about options. Now, I need your help because I'm working on the module number 2. And if the module number 2 is still lacking something, we can add more modules as we go. So if you have any questions or if you have any lessons that you would like to see, for example, we are going to be making a lesson on leaps. Leaps are very well discussed here in the comments. We see Crypto Ricardo. Recently, we had someone even talking about long leaps, like 3-year leaps on Bitcoin, if it was worth it or not. And I was in the comments chatting with this person. So there's a lot of interest when it comes to leaps, and leaps will be their own lesson, their single video here for the second module that we're working on. Now, if you have any more questions for advanced strategies, for other ways to calculate things, let me know and I can do a video, work on a video specifically for you for free here on the Bitopex Academy. So before we end the video, again, let me remind you that now we have 2 videos a week, Monday and Friday, and YouTube Shorts are going to be back here in the channel and also on our other social media. We're now expanding to TikTok and Instagram. So if you see us there, give us a follow, give us a like, and help us bring the word to more people. So thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.